My title is Yusuf on L, and today we'll be making a paper ninja star, and my channel is paper. Oh, just hold on, I forgot what paper architecture. And what you have to do first is fold it this way. You could use scissors.
What are you making today?
A paper ninja star. You could use scissors or just rip it off. For example, like this. And you can just unfold it and just start peeling it off. Or you can just cut it like this. Then you open it. Then you should get a square. Then you fold it down. That looks like a rectangle shape. Then you unfold it. And you fold this in. And you do the same thing for the other side. And close it until you get this. Then you fold it in so it looks like the even smaller rectangle. Then you fold this part down. Then you fold this side up. Then you flip it over. Then you fold it like this, so it looks like that. Then you do that to the other side. And you will get this.
Let me see.
Then for the other part, you kind of do the same thing, but when you're almost at the end of it, you do it the opposite way. And technically, you just do the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
Fold into a rectangle.
Now, what got you into doing paper? Why do you like building with paper?
What started me making it is my dad showed me that how to make a popper. Then I just started to make swords out of paper, ninja stars, different types, then paper guns, and the poppers I got banned from school because
Whoa, wait a minute.
they got banned from school because I kept on making everyone one of them. Then what happened was they said it was enough, then they banned it.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
and back to the paper ninja star.
Okay.
So you just fold it again like this. But this time you fold this side up. And this side down. And then you flip it over and do the same thing like this. Then you take both of them I had to fix that part. Then you flip this one over and put it over here and on top of this one. Then you take this part right here, the bottom, then you lift up this part, then you fold it under it like this. Then you flip this over and do the same thing. And you flip it over. Then you take this part and kind of do the same thing, and the final part is kind of hard for me because it's very small. Then you have to like bend it a little bit like this. Then you open it, then you push it in. And it kind of looks bad on this part, but it's kind of hard for me to do it. And that's how you make a paper ninja star. And after a while, it starts to get easier. And make sure you check out Canaanland Morse too. And that's the end.